Hello everyone. My friends, a person can start any big work on his own. But alone he cannot accomplish that task because that is very difficult. For that, 100% he will need a few people compulsorily who would want to do that task or work properly, to do something right and to lead it to its goal. The people who work together are called a team. Right? Like a football team, a cricket team. Like that, isn't it? In the same way. Any person working in this team has only one goal, and that is to get the job done at the given time. All the games we have played since our childhood, almost all of them, require a team, my friends. A small group of players, whatever the game be. But everyone wants to be a part of a strong team, my friends. Right? And every team leader or a captain always expects that his team players are very, very strong, my friends. Strong players, isn't it? Am I right? Because only then can you win. So, in any sport, the victory depends on the team, the entire team. Isn't it? It may be the aim to send the spacecraft Mangalyaan, or it may be the aim to control COVID-19 in this country. Without any teamwork, no goal is possibly accomplished in the world. With the right team and the right teamwork ensures that the toughest goals are made possible, my friends. So, with a small team and with the correct teamwork, our own ISRO managed to make the Mangalyaan mission possible in this country. By teamwork, we mean that there must be a proper distribution of work everywhere. And it's called division also. Division of work is important in every field. It means the right person should be given the right job. It also requires the most important good team leader, my friends, or a good captain who understands the abilities of his own people, of his team, and assigns them to the right tasks. Because if the right job is given to the right person, only then there are chances of success. By doing this, it makes everything possible very efficiently. If a team does good teamwork, then for this, the team members' training at the right time is also very important. With training the team, the members not only learn new skills, but also the goal of the team can be found very, very easily. Like when Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Ji felt that it was very difficult for his army to fight straight against the large army of the Mughals, what did he do? He told his efficient soldiers, who were team fighters, also in Maharashtra are called Maulas, he started training in guerrilla and also Jhabama war tactics, my friend. And because of this guerrilla war tactics, Shivaji Maharaj Ji could take back most part of his states from the Mughal armies, my friends. 26th February 2019, the airstrike in Balakot in Pakistan is also the best example of teamwork and their timing as everyone had their own role and had to be in the right way at the very right time, my friends. Otherwise, this operation would not succeed. Entering Pakistan to eliminate terrorists is not child's play. It's a very rare type of training. The terrorists in Pakistan were given training in camps which were situated there. There were many terrorist camps there. You know, to infiltrate and to attack them there and come back is not child's play. If they would have made a slightest mistake, its result could have been fatal. But our Indian Army, with its efficient teamwork, shocked the entire world and then showed that this is the new India and that it does not spare its enemies but enters their house and kills them. Nowadays in our country, almost all small and big companies, because of their good teamwork, have managed to become successful in achieving all their goals. They have soared to the sky. Only because of this teamwork, companies are able to spread their business chain across the whole country. Companies like JioMart, D-Mart, Big Bazaar, and McDonald's. They are the biggest examples of teamwork, working in tandem. Am I right? The stores of all these companies are now almost in all major cities of this country. And all the work of these different companies are handled by many different teams. And only because of a perfect teamwork, all these stores are becoming so very popular in our country today. You all know this, right? If now I talk about McDonald's, so please understand that in how many countries is McDonald's actually? It is located around 119 countries, my friends. McDonald's has more than 32,000 restaurants. Do you know how many customers come here every day? I mean, all over the world? It's around 7 crores. Around the whole world, Antarctica is the only place where McDonald's is not present. Do you know for McDonald's, more than 4 lakh employees work altogether? Just think, such a big team. And what great planning has been done. And this can only be possible with a good team. This success they have got is only because of good and efficient teamwork. There are some famous lines of Ratan Tata ji which I just remembered. It says, if you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. It means make a team and work. And all of you also, if you in your life want your family, want your country, India, to be more powerful and successful, then to accomplish your goals, keep up the teamwork and believe in teamwork. Thank you, my friends.